Cornbread without corn? Who would have thought? Your family and friends, they will never guess that it's gluten-free, grain-free, low-carb, and they're going to love it. Cassidy's Craveable Creations. My family and I love this keto cornbread recipe, and I make it year-round. I especially like to serve it with soups and stews, and I even like it to make a stuffing recipe or dressing, whichever you call it. So we're going to start by adding the dry ingredients to a bowl, and to make this grain-free, we're going to use almond flour and coconut flour. And coconut flour is the secret ingredient that actually makes it taste like corn. I know it's strange, and I don't even really know why, but coconut flour can sometimes taste like cornmeal. And so we have almond flour, coconut flour, keto sweetener. I like an erythritol-based sweetener, so it will crisp up on the top. And we're going to have baking powder and sea salt. And for the sweetener, I grew up in Oklahoma, and we eat Jiffy. I grew up on Jiffy cornbread, which is super sweet, and we love sweet cornbread. But for this recipe today, I only put 2 tablespoons of sweetener because I am going to use it to make dressing. But you can add however much sweetener you want. If you're like me and you add like a ½ cup, go for it. Okay, so we got the dry ingredients mixed. So now let's just get another bowl, and we are going to add some eggs. I got 6 eggs here. Some non-dairy milk to keep it dairy-free and low carb. While dairy is allowed on keto, the regular milk is kind of high in carbs, so I always use non-dairy milk, even though we're pretty much dairy-free anyways. But if you're not dairy-free, I would still recommend non-dairy milk to make it lower carb. And avocado oil. And you can substitute the avocado oil if you want for a different kind of oil, but I just really like avocado oil. Okay, so now we're just going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Let me know in the comments below how you like your cornbread, if you like it more sweet like I do or on the more savory side. I think it kind of depends on where you're from. If you're from the South like me, you're definitely going to like it sweet. Okay, so I'm just going to get it stirred in good here. And the batter it will seem a little bit dry once you get it all mixed together, but that's normal. Just keep going. I like to make mine the southern way in a cast iron skillet, greased cast iron skillet, but you can make it in any skillet that's about the same size, or pan, or really whatever you have. You can even make it into muffins. I like making muffins too a lot. They have nice little portions to give to my family because my son, he likes to eat, and if I make something in a big skillet, he'll eat the whole thing. And so if I make it in muffins, I can just give him 1 muffin, and then we have some leftovers. And I'm going to pour the batter into the greased skillet. And I'm just going to bake this at 350 degrees until it's nice and browned on top. Okay, so this just came out of the oven. Looks very delicious. And I'm just going to cut a bite right here. And if it wasn't dry in the batter, it would come out more cake-like, but since it was dry, it came out just perfect texture for cornbread. Okay, ooh, look at that right there. Okay. Well, I am just so excited for you guys to try this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Welcome to Cassidy's Craveable Creations. Welcome to Cassidy's Craveable Creations. I make this cornbread recipe year-round, and my family and we just love it. It is really yummy. I keep forgetting what I'm going to say.
It's really yummy.
I can't get it out. It's coming, I promise.